It's Thomas here from Festfloor. In today's video, I'll show you our Microcement test kit. We'll go through exactly what is included and explain why it's worth investing in before the final application of Microcement, whether on floors or walls. Let's get started. The Microcement test kit always comes in handy when you want to check the material before final application. It's most often chosen when you're applying Microcement for the very first time, or when you want to compare it with other types of materials, or you want to compare different kinds of systems. It's especially useful when you want to check whether the texture shown in a visualization can actually be achieved in your project using a specific product, as well as when you're aiming for an unusual color and want to be sure that the final result truly matches your expectations in terms of look, finish, and overall quality. If that's what you're looking for, the Festfloor Microcement test kit is exactly what you need. With the test kit, you can choose any of our available systems and check in advance which Microcement will be suitable for your application, as we have different products with different properties. As you well know, Hydrofest is most often chosen for bathrooms and wet areas. Festfloor Life, on the other hand, is a traditional Microcement most commonly used on floors. If you need even greater durability, the Festfloor Titan system is the right choice. For walls, countertops or hidden doors, Festfloor Go will usually be the best option because it's ready to use. So before making the final decision on which Microcement to choose, you should check what the project is and what expectations you have regarding how the Microcement should perform and what final characteristics it should have. What is included in the test kit box? Inside, you'll find a shortened instruction manual listing all products included in the kit. It contains basic information, as well as QR codes linking to full details if you needed. You will also find Festgrunt, a priming base coat from Microcement dedicated to each of our systems. The Microcement test kit includes the appropriate Microcement that you choose. Ready-to-use products come in a bucket like this, while two-component systems include additional hardeners and a two-component polyurethane sealer for surface protection. Additionally, if you've chosen a substrate reinforcement system, you'll also find a fiberglass mesh and a dedicated system for embedding it. Here I have a two-component Festfloor base, a mineral base used for embedding the mesh. It serves as a substrate reinforcement for Microcement most commonly used on floors, but you can also choose Festcontact, which is most often used on walls and tiles, or a dedicated base for the Festfloor Titan system. These are the high-quality products included in the kit, delivered wherever you need them. If you're already on our website, you can select your preferred test kit there. You can choose from Festfloor Life, Festfloor Go, Hydrofest, or Festfloor Titan. Below, you can enter the color required for your project. If color isn't important at this stage, you can leave this field blank. You'll receive a random color. You can also select a substrate reinforcement option, Festcontact with mesh, base with mesh, or a base dedicated to the Titan system. Add everything to your basket and place your order. A Microcement test kit is a small step that helps you avoid big mistakes. Choose your system consciously and be ready for your first project. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video about Microcement.